A lot of couples say they like to work on their marriage, but then they have absolutely no idea where to start. I have 3 very simple things that will set you on the right track today. Welcome to another session of Ask Kat. Number 1, write a list of things that you'd like to change in your marriage. Sure, it sounds cliche to write a list, but here's why a list works. It gives you a visual of the things you want to change. Not only that, it gives you a form of accountability. Number 2, set time to work on the things that you have listed. And by that I mean actually set a timer or alarm to keep track of precious time. We set schedules for all types of things, doctor's appointments, our children's school events, so why not our marriage? Set the time to do this. And last but not least, number 3, create goals of where you'd like to see your relationship in the next 6 months or so. Even if it's something simple like working on better sex or better communication, or something as simple as remembering to compliment your significant other about something you really love about him or her. These 3 very simple steps will change your relationship. That's a wrap for Ask Kat, and thank you so much for listening.